So I'm going to run this. And then we have helper utilities. It is just the message block that we actually set it for our agent node. That is one set of thing for us. And then we have agent supervisor. And this agent supervisor has this system prompt. And based on that, it also comes with a number of it also comes with a prompt template where you actually give this prompt to your specific tool that given the conversation about who should act next, and then you give the options for this tool, whether you want to have the option for a researcher, whether you want the option for the coder. So these are the names we have named it. We have named it as researcher, and this is as coder. So let's move forward towards the next block of cell. And please feel free to drop questions if you are facing any difficulty, and if you didn't understand any of this line of code, we would be happy to help. Just drop the questions and then we're going to respond to it in next 5 to 10 minutes. So once we run this cell, we have initialized a supervisor agent. Now we'll create a graph of this agent. As I mentioned earlier, we have these specific elements separately constitute. We have the tools, we have the supervisor.